I wanna play outside. You wanna play outside? Don't. No, play outside again. Why? Because I wanna play outside in my play now. Because no fighting in your friend, okay? Mommy, I'm not fighting in my friend. Bye, Mommy. Thank you. Sweetie. Hi, bestie. What? I'm playing basketball. You wanna play? I'm just always play basketball. But I'm not a boy. I'm a girl. I don't like playing basketball. I wanna play like teddy bears. I want some ball. Don't. Sorry. That's not. No, play with you. I wanna see my mommy. Mommy, my friend is not playing with me. She is just my teddy. Don't worry, sweetie. I wanna. Don't worry. It's okay. Mommy, where he go? He's a boy. She's scared. Sumbong kita kay mami mo, ah. Naaway mo si baby. Elsa. But siya yung nag-uuna sa akin. Kasi ayaw niya problem to me. Away ako kasi, mami. Away, ah. Dalawa na kayo mag-bestie. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Huwag na kami aaway. Ito po, mag-play ka na. Please. Mag-play ka na ito. Okay. Let's play. Ayaw. Lakat na ako.
Tahu nga po.
Ang kasaya natin. Wing! Wing!